Hello everyone, good morning. So if you've been following my posts, been following my videos, you know that we were bullish on US100. So as the last time I posted, we're looking on how we get to this buy side liquidity right here and this buy side liquidity, and in extension, this buy side liquidity right here. Okay, so we also at some point looking at this relatively equal loss as a possibility, as a draw in liquidity, a possibility before a possible reversal. We're waiting for another block to reverse price. Okay, other block to reverse price. So we can see how we had a very nice rejection after running this tail stops, this relatively equal lows, and tapping into this other block, and then reversing, running for relatively equal highs and buy side liquidity here, but fell short of this buy side up here. Okay, so yesterday was Thursday, today is NFP. Now we have this price running below to this level, clearing this sell stops here. Okay, so having that in mind, I'm watching. I entered the wrong order block. So this is the order block right here. Okay, so this is because this other block, this candle stick is lower than this one and also lower than this one. So that's the other block. So since we haven't closed below 50%, there's still a possibility of reversal. Okay, so but if that fails, then we're probably going to head for this sell stops here. So this is an NFPD, so it can be highly manipulated. You have to have that in mind. So with that being said, right now it's just like I'm framing both sides of the market. So and next week is US election, so I wouldn't have any bias on this right now. I wouldn't be trading today. I wouldn't be trading next week. So I'm just preserving capital until the upper week. Okay, so that's what we have here. So I'm looking for a run here, possible run here, and also possible reversal. Okay, but I'm not engaging. That's one thing. I'm not engaging in any way until I see something clear, something more clear. So looking at the weekly time frame, this is this relatively equal lows here. Okay, we took out these sell stops right here. Okay, after taking our buy side and failing to run this right here. So if we run below this relatively equal lows, these two weekly lows, okay, then we might come down to this. Might come down to this candles open. Okay, somewhere around lower part of this fair value gap. But everything here could be highly manipulated, So I'm not interested in any of it. I'm just waiting for it to do its thing and then show next direction it's likely to take. So if we manage to run below this relatively equal lows, I'll be looking at this 50% of this week here. That's first thing I'll be looking at. Then after that, maybe probably a run on this low, depending on how much manipulation we get. We can still reverse, and even without taking on these lows and just reverse. I'm just outlining the PD areas we have in place. Okay, so having for a bearish, I'm also looking at this breaker right here. Let me move to the next slide so it will be clearer. I think this one. So I'm looking at this breaker right here. Okay, so possibly we could hit it and then draw lower as a reversal. Okay, as an inversion breaker. We'll probably tap into it and go lower, or even still expand higher. So we can front the both sides of the market right now. Today is NFP. So the reason why I'm making this video is just to get in mind that we likely might not get up to this point. Okay, after we had this big drop yesterday. Okay, it would have just tapped into it if we wanted to on Wednesday, other than failing to do that and crashing all the way low to this point to take out these lows. This is a manipulation to me. I don't see it as something that should have happened, but the market can do anything. So you don't have to be caught off guard. If you check intraday, it was a possibility though, but I'm just looking at it from a higher time frame perspective. Okay, so having that in mind, so right now we're just looking for a possible run below these lows to this week, or if that is the case, probably we'll be looking at this lower part of this breaker here to serve as resistance and then drop price to that point. and into this lower part of this fair value gap, or kind of manipulation just to shoot up and running for this buy sides. But for now, with what we have presented to us right now, I will stick to running these lows. Okay, unless we just go all the way back up and anything can happen. But that's just it, guys. So hope you learned something today. Hope this guides you. So please endeavor to like, subscribe, and share this video also for you to be able to get more of it, for it to be encouraging to me, so I can as well share more of it. Peace, guys. Have a nice weekend ahead also. Have a good NFP day too. Please don't blow your account. Just avoid trading today if you can. Peace, guys.